What's up, folks? It's Derek coming to you, world's famous chicken in the cooler with a new party rib recipe. We got a little Chuck Texas style American Wagyu boneless ribs. That's right, you heard it, boneless ribs. And we're gonna do them party style. And I know you're gonna like it. Let me get my gloves on. And you know what, the first thing we absolutely have to do in the cooler is wash that meat. See all that blood on there? Have to wash it. Look at the color on that Wagyu rib. Ooh, I'm gonna give you a closer look in a minute. I know what you're thinking. Texas style Wagyu boneless beef ribs. Yeah, look at the marble on it. The marble in that beef rib. Little fat cap on the back. I'm gonna leave that on there. It's not gonna hurt me. That little fat right there, it's gonna render down. See that? It's gonna render down on there. Can y'all see that? And I'm gonna do it Texas traditional style. Pepper, and like you guys like it, salt. So, I'm going with table ground black pepper, which is a little bit bigger. Black pepper size than you regularly put on your table, I would say. And even though it says table size, usually a little bit smaller than this. Then I'm gonna hit you with this kosher coarse salt. Give it a little Texas flavor, pepper and salt. And we're gonna see if this Wagyu boneless beef ribs are gonna be beautiful and fire. All right, season that side. Let's turn them over. Yeah, I'm gonna kick that back side, that cap side, because like I said, there's no bones in this. So you eat the whole thing. Just pop it in there. We're gonna sauce them. I'm gonna cook it on the Traeger as I watch the Washington Commanders get another win. I'm gonna cook it in the Traeger, probably at about 250 degrees. And I'm gonna let them roll as long as it takes. Remember, in the cooler, we don't cook the time, but I may set a timer just so you guys can know how long you need to cook it. But you can cook it to the perfect bite. You can cook it till it's so tender that the meat is falling off the meat, because it can't fall off the bone because there is no bone. And you really don't have to be too careful with this salt, because it's so thick. So there you have it, folks. Pepper, salt, Wagyu beef boneless ribs going on the Traeger, 250 degrees. And then we're gonna sauce them. And then I'm gonna show you how beautiful they can be. Always remember, wash your meat, pepper, salt, put it on the meat how you like it. It's up to you. Going with fatty side up. I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, these are beef ribs. He's gonna make these sweet and savory. I know. People usually with beef ribs, they just want it to be savory, salty, pepper. Yay. These is football party ribs. You can do them however you want to. I'm gonna make them a little sweet. I'm gonna switch them up for you, because that's what this show is to do. Make you second guess everything you've ever done to meat. Whether you play with your meat, eat your meat, slap the meat. Put extra juice and sweetness on the meat. Whatever you need to do, that's what you do to your own meat. Because you know why? It's your meat. So we're going to apple juice it. Put a little butter. Put a little sugar on there. Yeah, that's right. Changing up what you think about beef. Okay. A little apple juice. A little imperial butter. A little over half a stick of butter. Drop it in there. I don't know about you guys, but I keep my brown sugar in the refrigerator. Not overly on too sweet, because like I said, you do want your beef rib to be salt, peppery, and savory. But this is gonna be a little hint of sweet. Like I said, you make it to what you think you want it to be. How sweet, how savory, how salty, how peppery. That's how you make it how you want it to be. Cooler Chicken teach you how to do things different. Look at beef differently than you usually do. That's all. A little fold. Make sure we keep that apple juice in there. Don't want it to come out, or the butter, or all the other juices in there. Gonna keep it up like that. Another layer, another layer. I was gonna do the boat, but I said, nah, old fashioned wrap. Beef ribs. Gotta love it. Boneless beef ribs. We're gonna put it back in here for about. Okay, folks, let's go see how it looks. Might be a little hot. Yes, it's all said and done. Beef party. Oh, ribs. Oh, man. I wish you could see and smell this. I wish I had smell-o-vision right now. Oh, my goodness. Done fogged up my screen. Y'all see that? Look at this. So hot and so juicy. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. A little knife, a little fork, pepper, a little hint of sweet, just a little. Salt on the backside, a little brown sugar. Apple juice. Good. Party rib, folks. Go out and get you some of them. Awesome. So on your road, folks. Party ribs. Boneless beef Wagyu style. It's just so tender. Sort of like a roast. Look at that. With the commanders on. Oh, too tender, fell through the fork. Juicy, sweet, salty. Wow. That is great. Let's go. One more time. Burning my mouth for y'all. I wish I could taste it. You can. All you gotta do is give me a shout and I'll make it for you. Whew. Well, didn't have no teeth. I could eat it. Thanks for watching another great episode with Derek and Vic's Cooler Chicken. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends what's going on great in the cooler. And I'll see you next time. Peace.